Hello everyone, good morning. Once again, welcome to you, our YouTube channel. This is a class 9 CBSC, chapter first from the book Behave, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. This story we shall read is set in the future when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? Means that whenever in the future time the schools will not available, the students are busy to reading or getting education through the computer, a telebook and a virtual classroom. So what would happen if the school will not present in the future times? This is a completely imagination at least 100 up to 150 years from now. So here in the pictures we would finally set up behind it like learning through computers, virtual classrooms, moving e-text and a robotic teacher. In the future time, after 140 years later, there will not a manual teacher who taught the students, because it is a only imaginative story completely based on the reality of the world. So student, now let us see the text. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary, and the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, today Tommy found a real book. Means Margie is the main character of the story. She is a girl of 11 years of age. She writes a diary on the night of 17th May 2157. It means 140 years from now. At that time, Margie writes an entry in her diary and she writes that Tommy found a real book, and she is feeling so intense because in her times real book don't exist. They only have e-books, not a printed books, copies or anything. The students are uh, used to the virtual books. So books in the format of print and paper are extinct, and so Margie is astonished to see a real book, because this is a types of a historical event. The story is completely based on the science fictions. What would happen after 150 years later? There will be not any schools, not any paper, then what would happen? So it is only a imaginative story. Now it was a very old book. Margie grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on a paper. It means that Margie uh, told to Tommy that once his grandfather told her that all the students are studied all the books that were printed on a paper. So this kind of a book is historical or ancient for them, something which they cannot believe, they cannot imagine, because what would happen after 100 or 150 years later if there will be not any book, not any types of a paper which are completely on it printed. So they turned the pages which have yellow and crinky, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. You know, crinky means होता है with many folds or lines, something that is a cross. It means that Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She sees that the pages of the book had turned yellow. It means that whenever the printed paper nowadays, whenever we used, it was completely yellow and they had been crushed and it was very old. The children found it very funny to read the words which stood still. Now what does it mean by that? Words that stood still, the words were printed on the pages. It means that student, when the present times pages are completely distinct or crushed, but after 100 later there will be not present any books studies for the student. Students are busy for are getting education through the virtual classroom, e-text, telebook and a computer screen. So this is a very easy for them, but now this is easy for the person those who want to studies. So in ebooks, how it happened, the text keeps on moving as your screen moves, but it was different in the books printed on a paper. So Margie and Tommy was completely differentiate between the two era, modern times and the ancient time, because the story set in a 130 years later. Now, and then when they turn back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Means the modern times, the stories which is printed on paper, whenever we read it was completely differentiate. We create difficulties, but Tommy and Margie imagine that in 140 years later, not present any books studies for the are getting education through the students are completely a e-text, virtual classroom, computer screen, and a telebooks. This was a very strange experience for these children. When you have a book which is printed on paper, whenever you flip the pages, you to get to see the same thing written on the pages. On the other hand, in a book, textbooks, computer screen, telebook, changing on the screen is same. You have the same screen in front of you, but the text keeps on changing. So whenever you go back, the text is different. Means the Tommy here expresses that in 140 years later, whenever not present in book for the student to getting any education, it was completely differentiate. It was very easy. It was very good for them to getting the education. Guy said, Tommy, what a waste. Whenever you threw with the book, you just threw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it is good for plenty more. I would not throw it away. Guy said, Tommy, it means that Tommy disliked the printed books. He said that it was a waste because he felt that whenever you complete reading a book, you have to throw it away because it was completely crinky, roughness, crust, and not very easy to read it. You cannot have some different story written on the same books. On the contrary, he felt that computer screen was very good because the same screen had shown him many books and still he could read many more on it. He would not have to throw that screen away when once he had read a particular story. Means the student when just like here I expressed the ideas from this story, especially for the use of telebooks or a mobile. This is types of a computer only for the education for them who decided to get education through the computer, telebook, or a screen. It is a comparison between the two era things. In a present time nowadays, we have used books, copy, printed paper for getting education, but in the later, imagine 140 years later, not available for the students books, copies, or anything. They have get education through the computer screen, telebooks, virtual classroom, robotic teachers, and a moving e-text. Same with mine, said Margie, as she was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Margie agreed with Tommy opinion. She says that I was 11's of age and she has not read as many books as Tommy had because Tommy was older to Margie. He was 13 years of age. There is a differentiate between the age of Margie and Tommy. She was only 11 years old, but Tommy was 13 years of age. She said, where did you find it? She said, where did you find it? Margie asked Tommy that where had he found the printed book. It means that there is a book found by Tommy in his house. So she was surprised whenever first time they saw the printed books. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Here attic or space just below the roof used as a storeroom. Attic means आप कह सकते हैं छज्जा या वरामदा जहाँ पे स्टोर रूप में जो है चीज़ों को सुरक्षित रखा जाता है। तो वहाँ पे उन्हें एक बड़ी पुरानी किताबें मिलती है, तो वे जान कर के बड़ा आश्चर्य में पड़ते हैं, क्योंकि 150 साल के बाद जो है जब आप ये चीज़ें नहीं रहेंगी, अचानक से कोई चीज़ आपको मिलेगी, बिल्कुल नया होगा, तो आप लोगों को बड़ा एक यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस होगा। उस एक्सपीरियंस को यहाँ पे शेयर किया जाता है। Tommy replied to Morgan that he found the printer book in the storeroom of his house. He was so busy reading the book that he did not remove his glance from the book. Tommy was very serious. They were very surprised to find any types of a book, because on that time they got education through the computer, virtual classroom, robotic class teacher, and everything. So, what is about school? Margie asked that what the book was about, means what is the relationship, what is including in this book. So Tommy said school. Tommy replied that the book was about school, after going to school, about the life at school. Margie was scornful. School? What there to write about school? I hate school. Scornful means contemptuous, showing you think something is worthless, or show your dislike from something, because always Margie against the school. She did not like to get education because she always hated the school. So Margie always hated the school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her a test in a geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. County inspector means a person who repair the computer. That times getting education through the computer, so a person present here in this story to repair the computer, because there is something error in the computer screen. What is Morgie's school? Morgie's school is a mechanical teacher. A mechanical teacher, that means the machine which teaches you, and not that school where will go. Now, why did Morgie hate school? Morgie's school was a virtual classroom. It was not a real school like we have today. बच्चों, जो मार्गी का जो स्कूल है वो वर्चुअल क्लासरूम है, वहाँ पे कोई टीचर्स, मैनुअल टीचर्स नहीं होते जो उन्हें पढ़ा सकें, उनके होमवर्क को चेक कर सकें। तो वैसे में उस ज़माने में, उस समय, आज से 150 साल बाद जो है बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए टीचर्स नहीं होंगे, बल्कि रोबोटिक टीचर होंगे, वर्चुअल क्लासरूम होगा, ई टेक्स्ट होगा, मूविंग क्लासरूम होगा। तो उसकी बात की जा रही है। सो इन द फ्यूचर वी आर थिंकिंग दैट द स्कूल्स विल बी वर्चुअल क्लासरूम, देयर विल बी अ मशीन दैट विल बी टीचिंग द चिल्ड्रेन. Margie hated this machine because it was giving her so many tests in geography which were very difficult for her, and she was performing very bad. It means that Margie performance always very dull because she did not like to study or getting the education through the computer or TV books. Finally, her mother thought that there was something wrong with the machine, and so she had called the county inspector to check it. It was a reason behind it. This is a reason behind it. Whenever Margie did not completed her homework or not completed the geography sector, then her mother decided to call a county inspector to check it. What happened? Our child was not get a education through the computer screen. So here a county inspector, he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. Here a description of a county inspector, repaired person who repaired the computer. The county inspector came to check the mechanical teacher. A mechanical teacher means computer screen. He was a round little man and he had a red face. He was carrying a big box full of tools with dials and wires. The box of the county inspector was completely full of dials and wires or mechanical devices. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. So this man opened the machine. He was there to repair the computer. He also gave Margie an apple for eating. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Margie did not like to repair the machine very urgent because she doesn't like to read any lesson through the computer. So the part Margie was very hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her lesson when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. It means that Margie hated this mechanical teacher the most because she had to submit her homework and test paper to it. This is not only fault of Margie, but it is especially fault by the mechanical teacher, I mean a computer screen, because Margie had to write her homework and her test paper in a particular punch code, that is a computing language. She had turned the language at the age of 6. The machine checked the papers and calculated her mark in a few seconds. This is a special fault of the machine because the machine could not calculate the special questions answer of the Margie through the computer. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault, Mr. Jones. I think the geographic sector was geared a little too quick." Student, this passage show the not actual fault of Margie. Geared means adjusted to a particular standard or a level. So the county inspector said that Margie was getting bad mark in geography because the machine was not working properly. It was geared to a higher level. कहने का मतलब है वह मैकेनिकल टीचर जो मैकेनिक था वो बताता है मिसेस जॉन्स से यानी मार्गी की मदर से कि यह मार्गी का फॉल्ट नहीं है बल्कि जो मशीन है वह बहुत ज़्यादा उसकी जो है लेवल है वो हाई लेवल की है, इसलिए उस काम को आसानी से कर नहीं पा रहे और बार बार इसमें फॉल्ट दिखा दे रहा है. दोज थिंग्स हैपन सम टाइम आई हैव स्लोड इट अप टू एन एवरेज 10 years लेवल. फिर बाद में जो मैकेनिकल टीचर होता है वह बताता है कि समटाइम्स मशीन malfunction and that it what had happened. He had slowed it down and set into the place of a learner of 10 years of age. Then after the mechanical teacher repaired the machine, it was a level of 10 years of age. Actually the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head once again. The mechanical teacher says that to Margie that a good pace. He again patted Margie's head in order to cheer her up. Then once again mechanical teacher patted the head of Margie only for her good behavior. Now here next passage. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. It means that Margie was sad because she did not want to learn. She did not want to study from this machine because the machine was not fit for her age, and she wanted that the inspector should take it away. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away means blanked out. Here the word meaning blanked out, student. Blanked out means erase. Blank out means the things are erased by mistakenly of the computer. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Now we know the reason for Margie's dislike for school. So she asked Tommy that why would anyone write about school? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it is not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Now here Tommy expresses the idea to Margie that it was a very silly because she did not know that many years ago the schools was not the काइंड दे हैड. देयर इज अ कंपेरिजन ऑफ द एजेस. यहाँ पे टॉमी मार्गी को बताता है कि जैसे आज के समय में हम लोग जो चीज़ों को एजुकेशन गेट कर रहे हैं थ्रू द टेली बुक्स, कंप्यूटर या वर्चुअल क्लासरूम से, रोबोटिक टीचर हैं, लेकिन आज से लगभग 150 साल पहले शायद ये चीज़ें नहीं थी, इसलिए तुम्हें शायद प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है। यहाँ पे एक वर्ड मीनिंग है लॉफ्टली। लॉफ्टली मतलब होता है यहाँ सुपीरियर वे, बड़ा ही विस्तृत ढंग से जो है अपनी बात को जो है मार्गी को बताता है। सो हियर दिस इज द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ स्कूल। Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said anyway they had a teacher. Margie was hurt at Tommy's behavior and she said that she did not know what kind of school they had centuries ago. तो यहाँ पे जो है मार्गी टॉमी को बताती कि मुझे नहीं पता कि यहाँ पे 100 साल पहले या सेंचुरीज एगो जो है की किताबें हुआ करती थी, लोग किताबों से एजुकेशन गेट करते थे। शी वॉज क्यूरियस एंड इमेजिन अ ग्रुप ऑफ चिल्ड्रेन बीइंग टॉट बाय अ ह्यूमन टीचर। शी वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज हाउ इन द 100 years ago the only one teacher could taught 100 children. This is a very funny moment. This is a very unbelievable moment. She looked over Tommy's shoulder trying to read the book and said that perhaps they had a teacher, but finally she did not believe in that kind of imagination. यह बात सुनकर के मार्गी को बड़ा आश्चर्य होता है कि कैसे 150 साल पहले, जबकि हम जो कहानी है जो है 140 साल आगे की हम कहानी पढ़ रहे हैं, 140 साल के बाद क्या हमारे बीच आएंगे और क्या चीज़ें छूट जाएंगी उसकी ये बातें चल रही हैं। तो वह बताती है कि कैसे लोग किताबों से ग्रहण करते थे या कैसे एक ही टीचर जो है 100 बच्चों को अकेले पढ़ाता है। कि दिस वॉज वेरी अनबिलीवेबल, बड़ा अविश्वसनीय, वो विश्वास नहीं करती है फिर भी उसे वो मान लेती है कि शायद हो सकता है। श्योर दे हैड ए टीचर बट इट वाज नॉट ए रेगुलर टीचर, इट वाज ए मैन। वे बताते हैं कि रेगुलर मतलब होता है नॉर्मल, एनी काइंड ऑफ यूजुअल टीचर। अ मैन, हाउ कुड ए मैन बी अ टीचर? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Tom is referring to a machine teacher as a regular teacher because that is what they are used to. That is a teacher, they had a machine. He said that it was not the machine, it was a man, human beings who taught them. It was very unbelievable. A man, how could a man be a teacher? She could not believe it. She had always seen our machine doing that because after 140 years later, everyone was surprised how a single teacher taught the 100 student in a one way. A man is not smart enough. Margie said that a man is not as smart intelligent as the machine teacher. मार्गी कहती है कि एक जो है जो ह्यूमन टीचर होते हैं वह एक मशीन टीचर की तरह इंटेलिजेंट नहीं होते होंगे क्योंकि वह विश्वास नहीं करती है। सो ही इज माई फादर नो एज मच एज माई टीचर। दिस इज अ रीजन बिहाइंड इट बिकॉज Tommy asked Margie not to underestimate the human teacher. He said that he is as knowledgeable as the machine. He compared the machine to his father and said that his father knows as much as his machine teacher. तो यहाँ पे जो है मार्गी को विश्वास नहीं होता है कि 150 साल पहले जो है कि कैसे ह्यूमन टीचर बच्चों को एक साथ पढ़ाते थे, वह विश्वास नहीं करते हैं। और ये भी कहती है कि जो मशीनी टीचर होते हैं वह ह्यूमन टीचर से कहीं ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं। He knows almost as much I Bicha. I bet you in first speech I am sure Tommy could bet on it that the human teacher knew as much as a mechanical teacher did. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. Margie did not want to discuss this further and added that she did not want a strange man, the human teacher, to come to her house to teach her. अब मार्गी को यह पसंद नहीं आता कि कोई ह्यूमन टीचर उसके घर आए और उसे पढ़ाए बिकॉज शी completely believe in a machine teacher because that times this is a profession, this is a passion for the student to getting a education through the computer, not by the manual or a human teacher. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know how much Margie, the teachers did live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. यहाँ पे जो है टॉमी बताता है कि मार्गी जो टीचर्स होते हैं वे स्पेशल बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं और वहाँ पे बच्चे जाते हैं और वहाँ पे एजुकेशन ग्रहण करते हैं। and all the kids learn the same thing. Margie was astonished and asked that did all the children learn the same thing. यहाँ पे मार्गी जो होती है थोड़ा आश्चर्यचकित होती है कि कैसे एक ही समय में एक ही टीचर 100 बच्चों को एक ही साथ कैसे एजुकेशन दे सकता है, क्योंकि तो बच्चों को विभिन्न प्रकार के नॉलेज देने की जरूरत पड़ रही होगी. श्योर इफ दे वर द सेम एज. यहाँ पे टॉमी बताता है मार्गी को कि अगर बच्चे सेम एज के होंगे, उनकी एज सेम होगी, तो उन्हें सेम एजुकेशन दिया जा रहा होगा. But my my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches at that each kid has to be taught differently. Now here Margie referred to a machine teacher. She says that once her mother told her that the machine had to be tuned to the level of each boy or as girl who was studying from it. So each child has to be taught separately depending on their level. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के समय में जिस तरह से एजुकेशन हम लोग ग्रहण कर रहे हैं या टीचर से बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो ऐसे में तो एक डिफरेंट क्लास, एक क्लास के बच्चों को एक टीचर पढ़ाता है, भले वो 100 बच्चे हों या 200 बच्चे हों, तो एक टीचर आसानी से पढ़ा देता है. लेकिन 150 साल के बाद ये चीज़ें शायद न रहें. एक इमेजिनेशन है, स्टोरी जो है साइंस फिक्शन है, तो निश्चित तौर पे एक बहुत बड़ा बदलाव है इस स्टोरी में. थोड़ी सी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, हिस्टोजीनियस इमेजेस का प्रयोग किया गया है. Just the same, they did not do it that way. Then if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Tommy replied that in the past they did not do it that way. He got irritated at Margie and said that she did not read the book. Here Tommy completely irritated from the discussion with Margie. I did not say I did not like it, Margie said quickly. Margie is interested in the book. She is curious to know what kind of schools were there. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Margie was inquisitive. She wanted to know what kind of school there in where the past, as she felt that they were fun. She says that in 100 or 200 years ago, the schools are full of fun because 100 students are altogether getting education only by a single teacher. How the time was there, all the students have enjoyed it. But nowadays, 100 years later, whenever we live in that era, it was completely boring and very surprisingly. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. Margie had read just half of the book when her mother called her as it was time for her to attend her virtual school. Margie looked up, not at Mama. Margie's school was in the next room, next to her bedroom. She said to her mother that she did not want to go to school, क्योंकि मार्गी जो होती है वह स्कूल जाना नहीं चाहती है. So the story is based on the science fiction. The writer Asimov describe about the complete discussion between Tommy and Margie. How did they happened whenever they got education. This is a classroom of Margie. Because her mother said that little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Now here, this is a very funny moment whenever we get education through the computer. The screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday homework in the proper slot. Now here proper slot mark is set in front of the machine similarly to a computer and the machine was turned on. It said that the lesson of the day was in arithmetic and the topic was addition of the proper fraction. This is the subject of math, arithmetic. Proper fraction. Further it instructed her to insert the homework of the previous day in the slot of inserting the homework. Now students, in that times the students getting homework through the computer and submitting the homework through the computer because there were no any human teachers. Margie did so with a sigh. Margie's life is also very mechanical, just like a machine. There is no fun in her classroom. It is very dull and boring, just like a machine. Margie imagined that in that time there is no any special students or friend with themselves to get education through the mechanical teacher. It is not full of fun. She was uh, she was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Margie is thinking of the story told to her by her grandfather. Her grandfather told her that his grandfather used to go to school when he was a little boy. As Margie is bored with this machine, she is reminded of that life. मार्गी जो होती है वह बताती है कि कैसे उसके दादाजी जो है 150 साल पहले स्कूल जाया करते थे और कितना इंजॉयफुल लाइफ हुआ करता था. दे हैड अ फन बट नाउ अ डे वी फेल्ट वेरी बोरिंग थ्रू गेटिंग एजुकेशन थ्रू द कंप्यूटर. So all the kids from the whole neighborhood come laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at end of the day. This is the life that you all are living at present, but for the future kids it will be just a memory of the past for them. It will be history because their life will be very different. They will study from machines. When Margie comes to know that in the past children used to go to school, they sat together, laughed, shouted in the school. She gets curious about it and wants to go to school. The writer wants us to realize the importance of school in our life. Children sometimes get bored and fed up of going to school, but if you don't have a school, you would not get to meet friends. Your life will be very dull and boring. This passage advice and showing the importance of the school. At that times, schools very helpful for us because we are getting the education through the human teachers sitting especially for the a group of the student here we felt the very funny and very enjoyable life, but getting education through the computer there will be not any friend, not any fun. This is the importance of the school. They learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it, and the teacher were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. We add fraction 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. It means that Margie feels the school so much fun. Children get together, they study in a fun way, they get the same homework and they can discuss it, take help and talk about it also. So all the students become friends and study in a fun way. The author ended the story with the title of the chapter, The Fun They Had. The fun they had students and they went to real school. Margie is just thinking about the kids of the past who went to school and enjoy study. So student, this is end of the passages, and finally we find out that 150 years ago schools where we got education was very funny, was very enjoyable and full of enthusiastic of life, because there will be a human teacher, there will be friends and enjoy it very much. But in present time, I mean 2157 in this time, we have got education through the computer. It was very boring, it was very machiney life. I hate it. So the story of the fun they had was completely based on the science fiction and full of the imagination. जैसा कि बच्चों आप लोग जानते हैं कि आज जो है पूरा विश्व जो वैश्विक महामारी कोविड-19 की गिरफ्त में है. ऐसे में शायद टीचर न हों, सारे बच्चे अपने घर से एजुकेशन ग्रहण करें. ये स्टोरी कम्प्लीटली फिट बैठती है. सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करें, कीप योर होम एट बी सेफ, घर रहें, सुरक्षित रहें, ये जो स्लोगन चल पड़ा है, तो निश्चित तौर पे स्टोरी इस पर कम्प्लीटली सूट करती है. और शायद स्टोरी को मुझे एक्सप्लेन करने में शायद इससे कुछ मदद भी मिलेगी कि आज से 150 साल बाद जो है ना टीचर होंगे ना स्कूल होगा, सारे बच्चे जो है एजुकेशन जो है कंप्यूटर से ग्रहण करेंगे, कंप्यूटर से उन्हें क्लास वर्क मिलेगा, कंप्यूटर से उन्हें होमवर्क मिलेगा और शायद कंप्यूटर ही उनके होमवर्क को चेक करेगा और वहाँ से उनके जो है नंबर प्रदान करेगा। सो दिस स्टोरी इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द साइंस फिक्शन। अगर अब तक आप लोग हमारे चैनल को लाइक, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब न किए हों तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए प्लीज़। थैंक यू।